Ada for me wa kwa ba enfambra shiny creation so ada ye the story bi ba somo e wa ha na ye cheche mu che say a 24-year-old Lydia Lois Abena Cranton a wo wie school e wa KNUST ano ne petroleum company bi ye adwuma omadi omani ko chiem e ye takrade e hotel bi a okotoa nananom e won siedo e wo swimming pool mu no ho developing stories about as a police e de autopsy report about e kire kwan ye nwa bai na doctor for e kire kwan a ye nwa bai e fa so a o de hwe ne kra enkwa e de free wias medi ni simon de shiny aha shiny questions message send no face there subscribe na like video no wa share ama foforo nso so enya bi arafo me fa raho sem bi enso mo ansana mako autopsy report na police for the aba no say before say Lois Abena Cranton edi nani ko ne boss and the driver no edi o mani ko chemo takrade ama okowu e wo swimming pool mu no na ne maame awu na ne maame wu ye wonim se so obi wo nso wo abusuam a ye frɛ nipa ne maame ebo na mane enti wei ana ne abusuani a wo frɛ efie se wo ba mane asam no wan fa anhya adakam kakra onse asem bi wa wo ka obetima defede kakra ase me we share the filter kakra men kan sa aha but nipa ya wo frɛ Lois ne maame se wo bona mane no se Lois maame ewu no wan fa anhya filter o kan straight ho ana Lois enana te se wo shock price men kan sa o surprising wo shocked ho ana nani so bri na wo twa hwe ne ne call hospital then call hospital okoda ho kolebu for 3 weeks ana ono so to anananom ehon siedo na eno na nche ana chese Lois nso so akwu ato swimming pool so obi ne kun no say the autopsy report na kan ya ba be cheche mo ha sei no eno ene di ato Lois abusuafo na tim say 2024 idie ene Lois abusuafo ene ni ye kra enya asem kuta because wolusu ni maame alusu ni nana ne maame ama ono ankasa Lois na ankasa mu esa ehye forma na chese enya asem keto na esa abusuan ni pam yensa ana ombesi o maboma before say Lois ebewu na chese omo ye toto ye so omo besi Lois maame ene nana abom ti we ya rehosem a ato Lois na busuafo a Lois de yenso esa ebeka ho na maame fanko wura autopsy report ni medical catch o say police for hwehwehwe say ni me catch am say munyina montage Ghana police service say na be ya asem no ebedu achi na hwehwe mu no etima kwa wano ama yampa Ghana police for so as assembly see here on the 8th of June omodi omani we chire mu ho ase so mo fa body no de kopie ayaresabia doctor pronouncing say wawu no omde ni ko chire mu e wo morga pathologist ekogina ne ho with the help of abusuafo ni bi ba ko gina nchen ma omoye autopsy no no mu wie ye no ensem a omode tudwa no eni alofo ya so ne tie ensem a mede betudwa. Police statement on the death of a 24-year-old woman at a hotel in Takoradi. 1. On the 8th of June 2024, the Ghana Police Service received a complaint to the effect that Lois Abena Cranton, a 24-year-old woman, had been found unconscious in a swimming pool at a hotel at Takoradi in the Western region and taken to the hospital for medical attention, but was pronounced dead on arrival. E didn't do a hospital one doctor Kachen said, why nyame dia watwana nanom ewon siedo. Number 2, on the same day, the pronouncing say no, on the same day, police commenced investigation into the incident. A police team visited the scene and also visited the hospital and inspected the body, but no marks of assault were found on her body. Police for the call hospital honum now mede kochi mo honum call scene or crime scene honum baby a yenua bai ewu toye no mo call ye no mo call her body no ade bibia hu say yentwetwa na nya na hwe me mamoti ase in the first video say me Lois abusuafo no bi kasa o ma me yan ntia say o de body no o mo call her body no na body no hu ntwetwa obi antwa na se kan obi amia na say bibisa Omen who be sa body to sana Ghana Police Service for so a state our autopsy report them. Yet also say the body was later deposited at the morgue where an autopsy was conducted on 8th June 2024. The presence of the family of the deceased by a pathologist at the Kolebu Teaching Hospital who gave the verbal cause of death as one asphyxia. Asphyxia a condition be when your body is deprived of air oxygen. Say emphama ntimi nkɔ body ni ma. That is the condition. According to a autopsy report, no muchema she was deprived of oxygen and I'm so and only one of the reasons why I'm so my them two severe pulmonary edema and only a condition be so when there's too much fluid in your lungs since so be ekogina lungs ni mu a and also gina etimi gina so ema utimi hwere kra enkwa ntino police report and also autopsy report no mu kirema there was so much water on the lungs mu and also ka ho bi and I'm so about Lois abena quarantine and I'm so sure and kwam almost actually drawing in pool or ensuo no esa afa no ma ne kwasha say ensuo no pool no efa no and also one of the reasons and I'm so ma Lois abena quarantine and I'm so the sure and kwam ewo ensuo nim and this is the autopsy report police for chirima and I'm so ma Lois abena quarantine e hwe ne kra nkwan ewo swimming pool ni mu na mame found twice so our police report was say meanwhile the following dissatisfaction expressed by the deceased family in section of media regarding the extent of police engagement on the matter. The inspector general of police yesterday 10th July 2024 reached out to the family via a phone call or a telephone call and rendered an unqualified apology to them for the lack of sufficient police engagement. Ebusuafo na express say as a omo eni nje ho say as a police for nhye dam for omo ho nji asem nim sa said the media for no AC report asem no eho ana police for no muchiema inspector general of police inspector IGP dampale ofa phone ana o de fra ebusuafo ni o ka chomo say opa omo che sorry say asem ni see and police for nhye dan ye engage bro for be no police for nhye dan engage asem no musa enti no obesere mo se omunya abotre mo no behwehwe asem no akosi na wieye ye to aso a sure that investigation into the incident is still ongoing and also inform them of the readiness of the police to visit them at their convenience and update them on investigation done so far. Police will continue to work closely with the family as investigation into the incident continues. A police for Chidima am I ready say investigation be a bekoso and I was a koso say by the root of the death of Lois Abena quarantine or bekoso among person beson autopsy report in a investigation be a was some year who the real cause of say the doctors can and say in soon fano and then so could the lungs now she was deprived of oxygen yeah they and no and I'm so Emma Lois Abena quarantine ahwe ne nkwa ewo honum the police force assure abusuafo say omunya abotre ma omo na investigation na nkasa de omuguso omo be this takes me back to what the abusuafo kan na say many omotwehwe nkomo no the abusuafo one of the brothers said Lois is a trained swimmer or you be a professional swimmer according to ne brother na me ne kasa no was Lois you be a onimu so mu dware. So this report that the doctors are saying say in so ne far na ade no e kire ma adwen so kakra because someone or a professional swimmer there and at that time I was call so who say was I think that there are so many questions among Fobusa when the statement came out and people are also asking say where is the boss and the driver at the time our incident in the sea and no more him. These are the questions among Fobusa or social media say at the time I could say Lois Ewuda and Sunimino, not driver no and ne boss no or more him. These are the questions that people are asking. And the Muslim Busa say, where were they? No more him. Asim we see. Shimbia, I was a buso man now because I'm in the coy. It is a BB seer. At that time, no more him. These are the questions I'm for Busa. And I want for so a hotel let you pass a whole big hotel like that no money almost CCTV mokas and near Juma. And no amount for suspected something fishy out there because how can you tell me say this big hotel even small guest house where feature come on CCTV cameras. Okwa doom stores are stores on fianfia bi wo hokra. Omo CCTV cameras. Now a big hotel like that moji sika kese na money CCTV cameras e wo honma. Charlie, because they say no you nim what led to the lady going into the pool. So we be na ku ne de be 2 mon so no aka say na ekobare because the CCTV cameras e wo ho a ye betima hwe say na Lois nante ana okọ ono akọ so kwa kobare nsuo nim ana nsuo ne fa no ene de ye beti ase but no CCTV footage enti beda na busuafo krampo age sansama aye doctors for airken edi enti ya besere se Ghana Police Service ehwehwemu de se ya mo assure ye se mo be ye no ya besere se mo hwehwemu ko the root of it na bibie wo mbia no ye mfambra na se ewuo anansuo ne fa na yɛbɛte ase na so obi na tachi no di sa adwuma no dia yɛbɛsere sɛ mmra ɛne nipa ne di medine simo de shine ha shine questions mess send no first da no subscribe no like a video no akyerɛ wa adwen so in the comment section makra wo yɛbɛsɛ share in the next video.